Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate a beneficiary in QNB app. This is important because you cannot send money to a new person until the beneficiary is activated. First, open the QNB Mobile App on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account using your username and password. Once you are in lock screen or log in, look at the home screen, tap transfer or payment. Now tap on beneficiary or manage beneficiary. This is where all sub bank account and contacts are listed. If beneficiary is new, tap add beneficiary, choose the beneficiary type such as local bank, international bank, honor account. After adding the beneficiary, QNB will ask you to activate it. Tap active beneficiary. You will receive a one-time password OTP by message through the app. Enter the OTP code exactly as received. Tap submit. Wait for a few seconds. A confirmation message will appear by saying beneficiary active successfully. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.